Hello students, let's learn how to arrange the decimal numbers in the ascending or the descending order. For example, 0.05, 0.5, 0.005 and 0.55. Here, first we have to make all the decimals into like decimal form. That means all the decimal number should have equal number of digits after the point. For example, here in the first decimal number, we have 2 digits after the point. Here we have 1, here we have 3, and here we have 2. So what we need here, we want to change all the decimal numbers with maximum number of digits after the point. So that means I have to change all the decimal values with 3 digits after the point. And for that, I can add extra zeros. So for example, for this fraction, I can add an extra 0. Now I have 3 digits after the point. This one also I can add extra zeros. Now I have 3 digits after the point. This is already having the 3 digits. We'll write down it same. This one is having 2 digits after the point. So I have to add another 0. Now this one also having a 3 digits after the point. Now it will become very easy to compare these decimal numbers where you can see all the decimal numbers having the same number of digits after the point. So that means if I have to arrange this into ascending order, that means increasing order, which means smallest to largest. The answer will be the largest is this one and the smallest is this one. So we'll write down it in the order 0.005. It will come first. Then we will have 0.050. Then we will have 0.500. Then we will have 0.550. So if you will see, this is 5 after the point, this is 50 after the point, this is 500 after the point, this is 550 after the point, okay? But we will read it as 0.005. It is not 5 exactly. I'm just telling it for your understanding. So this is how we can arrange the decimal numbers in the order. Now we have to write it in the original form. So you can see the original form from the circle here. So 0.05 was already 0.05. Then 0.050 was 0.05. So we'll write on that. Then 0.500 was 0.5. We'll write on that. Then 0.550 is 0.55. 0.71, 0.077, 0.07 and 0.7. So first of all, you can see that this digit, this number is having the maximum digits after the point, that is 3. So that means we have to change all the decimal numbers into the like decimal form. So for that, I need 3 digits after the point. So I will add the extra zeros. So it will become 0.710. This will stay 0.077. This will be 0.070 and this will be 0.700. Now, if I have to arrange these decimal numbers in the descending order, means decreasing order, means largest to smallest. Then the answer would be 0.710, 0.700, 0.077 and 0.070. Now we have to write the original form of it. So 0.710 can be written as 0.71, 0.700 can be written as 0.7, 0.077 can be written as 0.077 because the original form is also the same. Then 0.070 can be written as 0.07. So this is how we can arrange the decimal numbers in the ascending or the descending order. If you like my videos, hit the like and subscribe button and also share my videos with your friends and also write the comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.